Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to find your SMTP server in Microsoft Outlook. So step 1, open your Outlook and go to File in the top menu. Step 2, click Account Settings and then choose Manage Profiles. Step 3, in the new window, select Email Accounts. Step 4, highlight your email account and click Change. Step 5. Under the server settings, you will see your outgoing SMTP server address listed. It is usually in the format smtp.yourdomain.com. Step 6. You can also check the port number, SSL settings, and authentication options here. These settings are useful when configuring other apps or services to send email using your Outlook account. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.